I'm Jason, and in this video we'll be looking at how to make money with ENROLL app. ENROLL app is a user testing platform on which persons go on. Let's say for example you created a website for a company and you want to test it out to see what the user interface would be. You can simply go on ENROLL app and they will charge you a small fee and you will pay them, and they will find persons like me and you, for example, and we will go onto those websites and check out how does it feel, if there is any text problem or anything at all, and then we'll give our feedback to ENROLL app and they will tell the creator of the website. That's basically it. So you will be getting paid to be a tester. It's quite easy to sign up, and when it comes to these websites, what I've gotten to realize is the amount of jobs you get or tasks that you get depends on the country that you live in. So you can see right here, you'll be able to get tests, and you can do this on your phone or tablet or on desktop, as you can see right here, anything you prefer, and you'll be able to earn rewards, and then you can start earning PayPal money. And you'll be able to change the web, as they say. And you're probably wondering, what does this test look like? What will you normally do if you sign up to ENROLL app? Well, let's take a sample test together. First thing you'll do is tap on Let's Begin. And you can see here, click on where you might get some inspiration for upcoming trips. And you tap on Begin this question. Then you'll simply scroll down, and as I said earlier, as you can see right here, we're currently on a website. So you'll simply scroll down, and from here you can see top destinations. You can tap on any one. Then you'll tap on Continue. Then you'll see what does this page make you feel, and you'll tap on Begin this question. And it's as simple as that. That's all you'll have to do, and once you're finished filling out something like this, you'll be able to get your PayPal money. So I definitely recommend that you sign up with ENROLL app, and again, all you'll have to do is go onto enrollapp.com, whether you're on a laptop or PC or on your mobile device. And once on ENROLL app, you'll simply tap on Register right here, and you'll be able to become a tester. You'll simply sign up with your email address and create a password, and that's it. You can start making money online from anywhere in the world. Hope you found this video helpful and motivating, and if you're going to give it a try, let me know in the comment section, and thank you for watching.